Here it is right here. Peep game. This is it right here. This is Bitcoin. Look, on the perpetual contract. So this is Bitcoin. This is on the daily chart. Calvin, where's that? But didn't I tell you that it was going to do this though? I said it'll go up, pull back, go up, pull. Look at the support. I said it'll find support at 65,000 before it can take. I can't. This shit is crazy. Wait a minute, Calvin. Nah, I'm going to be real petty today. Here's us coming down. That's your first bottom. This is your top right here, right? This is your second bottom. Look what I said. I said we're going to go up, come down, go up, test the 65,000, and then go back. I can't make this shit up. Tell me if I'm right. I said we're going to go up, we're going to come down on the 50, go back up, we're going to test the 65,000. We're going to test 65,000, and then we're going to rally back up. Stop playing with me. This is September the 13th. These are called petty receipts. There's too many people out here on YouTube trying to act like they know what they're doing. It's a real good game that they're playing right now. I'm not playing games. Not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. You want to know what else is crazy about this? Not only did I show you this on September the 13th, but we have now broken past the 50 daily moving average and the 200 daily moving average. We broke through the 50, boom, tested as support. Broke the 200, boom, tested this as support. We're up. We're going up now, guys. These receipts are something else. Too much sauce. Hey, this is that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce right here. Now, for a quick second, as I started doing a couple of videos on my TikTok timeline, on my backup account and stuff like that, and I was showing this and I was going live and stuff, people just swore. They just kept on saying, oh no, we're going back down to 50,000. Oh no, you don't know what you're talking, we're going to 40,000. Well, where are those people at? I put it out here for the world to see. When I go live, I have to be responsible for the things that I say. I'm here live and I'm showing you receipts just to remind you. Next time I'm talking to you about this and I'm showing you technical analysis, I'm really going in, you might want to really pay attention. Let's continue. These receipts are going to keep on crushing people. That was boss. Oh my God. That's crazy. Let's continue. But oh no, this September the 13th. Here we go again. Look at this. I'm looking now at Bitcoin on the monthly chart. And look what Bitcoin is at $60,000. Look what I said. I said, guys, this right here has been a bearish trend. You can see for yourself. You see right here, these are monthly candles. So resistance, 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 resistance. I said, hey, this candle is going to rally up here and it is going to break this support. Why? Because I'm looking at the relative strength index. Resistance, resistance, that's what I meant. I said resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. I said, look at where we are. I said, we're literally getting ready to break this trend line and we're breaking the moving average. I said, when we break this yellow line and we break this white line, we are going to start going up. It's going to be very aggressive, which is going to cause us to break this bearish trend line right here. Now, I also told you that on September the 13th. Well, let's go here and look and see if let's see if that's true. Let's see if I know what I'm talking about. Let's open this thing up. Look. Would you look at this? Would you look at this shit? You mean to tell me you told us something on September the 13th? This is what you showed us. We was at $60,000. Here we are sitting at almost 66,000. Look. Like I said, we have broken past that yellow moving average, broken out of this bearish trend line. All of this bearishness you were seeing here, these are monthly candles from March. No. Look, March, no. April, May, June, July, August. Look, September. Look at what's happening right here. If you don't think this is a big deal, it's massive. You have been rejected for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of rejections, and now we're breaking out of this trend line. But I told you this on September the 13th. I showed everybody. Now here we are, and people acting like they know how to do crypto. It's absolutely hilarious to me. Think about it. If you really took that stuff serious, wouldn't you have better entry points for your crypto? Your trades, wouldn't your trades be in hundreds of percent gains? Thousands of percent gains? Wouldn't you have some leverage on it? Wouldn't you have better spot entry points? Wouldn't you sleep better at night? This is crazy. This is... Who does this remind you of? This is... it's crazy. Guys, that's all I'm saying. I'm doing my very best to make sure that people eat. But man, I can't, you know what I'm saying? What else people want me to do? Talk. LT, what they want me to do? I'm doing my best. Jack, what they want me to do, Jack? I'm doing everything I can to help them get financially free. Let's continue. This one gets saucy right here. Cash. I'm trying to help them, Cash. This next receipt is a little saucy. Somebody said, they not listening, Pops. You know what I'm saying? Like these are my youngers out here. Pal, am I telling the truth? Come on, y'all. Joint. Middle of the month. Bitcoin sitting at $58,000. I put this up and I said, listen, we're sitting at $58,000 and we have broken out of this trend. Now, let me go back here and show you this chart. In case some of y'all never seen this chart before. Let me go back over here and show it to you. We go up here. Hold on. This is where I need to be at. I got to show you this chart. Let me show it to you right here. Check this out. I said, look, man, we have broken out of this freaking trend, right? What I was doing is I was showing them this chart, this trend line right here. For those of you who don't know how that works, let me just bring it back to you so you can see it. Because we already broke out of it. So look, this is what I was showing them on that chart right here. You see this? This is what I was showing them. I said, bro, we have broken out of this thing, right? This is what we was like, resistance, support. I said, when we broke out of this, I said, guys, we're going up. You had some people arguing with me, and I told them this. I said, you think we're coming down here back into this channel for Bitcoin to drop 7% down here for this? I said, no. I said, we're literally less than 4% away. Look, we're less than 4% away, which would have put us here at $61,000. That's 60. That line right there is 61,000. I said, we're going up here to get this 61,000. Too many people are down here shorting the market. I said that the quickest pain for them is for us to come up here and then to keep on. Look at this. Can't make this stuff up. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. This was September the 15th. This is 61,000 right here. This is 64,000. Okay. This is 65,000. I told my audience, we're going up. There is a crazy amount of money up here. Right? Well, guess what? All of those are gone now. If I go here and I turn on the HTF liquidity pool lines, okay, the next big money is up here at $70,000. And you wonder why I keep putting $70,000 on my TikTok timeline. Because I can see it right here. This is where the money is. we're not going down here, guys. 57 down here. No, we're not doing that. We're literally going up this way. You can argue with that if you want to, but I told you this on the 15th of September. And for those of you who did not listen, you shorted sideline, but I'm just going to keep on showing you these receipts. I'm just going to keep on going. I got more. I'm not done. There's more receipts. There's more receipts. You ready? Here we go. Flip the camera back around. September the 17th. Bitcoin is still sitting at 60,000. Look at this. This is this is the 17th. Federal rate cut announcement. Look at this candle. This candle was red and people was like, no, we're going crashing down. We're going to crash down. I said, bro, tomorrow is the federal rate cut announcement. I drew a yellow line right there. Look, I put it right directly on this candle. We were sitting at 60 G's. I told everybody, I said, we're going to find support right here and we're going to rally up. I got it right here. I said, we're going up. We're inside of, this is a bullish channel. Now let me go here and see if that's true. Check it out. Peep game. You probably can't see it that well, but I'm going to highlight it up for you. See, right now, I got the opacity down. Don't worry. I'll bring the opacity up from you from 10 and 11 up here. I'll bring it up for you. Yeah, this part. I told you we would find support and we would continue in this channel. I told you this on the 17th, the day before the rate cut. I showed you this. There it is right there. Men lie, women lie, but these damn screenshots keep telling you, they keep telling you the truth. What part of this don't people understand? We found support, rallied up, resistance, support, and we're rallying up again. We have now broken the $65,000, found support on the top side of that. Like, we're going up. Look at this candle that's printing right now. It's amazing how these candles keep printing and they keep on falling inside of this channel. Either support, resistance. Even when they get outside of this channel, they push back in and find support. This candle is printing right now. It has 22 hours, 58 minutes, and 45, 44. What part of this don't people understand? I told them this on the 17th, the day before the rate cut. There it is right there. Federal rate cut, September 18th. We're just going to keep on printing money, aren't we? 100%. We're just going to keep on printing this money. And I'm just going to keep on reminding people that it's like there's levels to this. I'm going to keep reminding people there's levels to this, what we're doing. You could be really, really good or you could be amateur, right? Amateur don't get it when you're dealing with people that are pros. The pros are just going to mop the floor with you. We're just going to keep on taking your money. We're going to give people an advantage over you. They're going to take your money. It's just going to be a painful thing in this market. We're going to keep on doing it too. Let's continue. Oh man, not this one. Don't do it to him, Cal. This is your total crypto market cap. This is the total crypto market cap. We were sitting at $2 trillion. Look, total crypto market cap. It was sitting at 2 trillion, like 2.09 trillion. This is what I told my audience. I said, hey guys, look at where we are. I said, we're sitting at 2.09 trillion. We just passed this pivot line. I said, we're just going to keep on going up to test the top side of this. We're literally about 9% away, which is $189 billion. Follow the bouncing ball. Hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions. That is $189 billion. I said, we're going to put another $189 billion in this market. If your ass is sitting on the sideline, you'll be regretting that for sure. Now, let's go here to the total crypto market cap. I was on the daily chart, so let's look at the daily chart here. Oh, imagine this. Well, damn. Now, see, people finna have to respect the game. They finna have to do that because I'm taking you back to 2.09. Look, 2.0. Look, I'm taking you back here. This is where we was, 2.09. This is where we was. I'm going to put a line on it right here. Look, I'm going to make sure we put a line on it. We're 2.09. 609, somewhere around up in here. Right here is where we was, right there. I'm gonna let y'all slide with that one. This is the total crypto market cap. I said we are going to pass this pivot line right here, and we're gonna keep on going up to test the top side of this. We're gonna put another $189 billion into the market. Tell me that ain't true? There it is right there. Do you know how much money that is? Oh man, hold on. Do you know how much money $189 billion is? Spread out amongst all the cryptos? No, man. That's crazy. Because look, let me show you the date. The date I told you this was 9/18. This, I love Macs. When you're on a Mac, when you screenshot, it'll give you the year, the date, and it'll give you the time. 8:19 and 32 seconds, post meridian. See, it says PM, post meridian. So from the 18th to look, from where we are right now, all the way to the 18th. Let me just go back, boom, boom, right here to the 18th. I told you, right, basically 10 days ago. Let me go over here and show you something. Here's your top 100 cryptos over the last week. Because when you put $189 billion in the market, the cryptos will look like this. So, men lie, women lie. Numbers don't lie. Okay, that's the top. This is your top 100 cryptos getting $189 billion pushed in the market. Hold on. Calvin, what did your crypto cheat guide Joyce do? Well, here you go. For anybody that bought my crypto cheat guide, these are the cryptos that's in there. Look at what they've done in the last week. Wait a minute. Time out. This is the ebook that you be selling, right? The one that you be selling, Cal? Yeah, this is that one. It's that one. This one right here. It says it right here, crypto portfolios. This is, look, that's on page 8. Look, this crypto cheat guide, look, the link to buy this, you could go and look at it in my bio. But look, on page 8, pay attention. All the cryptos you see listed on this page, look at them, all of them, Ethereum, Chainlink, all of these cryptos are tracked right here, crypto cheat guide. Look at what they've done in the last week. You want to know what's funny about that? This is a $27 ebook. Watch this. Watch this. $100 worth of crypto times 27%. Okay, so if this is a $27 ebook, you only need crypto to do 27% return to get your money back. Look at these things I've done in the last week. Here's what they've done in the last 30 days. Here's what they've done for the year. See? Receipts. Let's continue. That's going to keep on going and making it worse for them. So I told you on September the 18th, right, that we was going to push $189 billion back into this market. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball. But I saw us break this pivot line, right? We rallied up here. This was our last high right here. We broke that high, right? And this thing look, we already hit that 189 billion. That's already done. We already tapped that. A little bit of pullback here and we're pushing back up some more. I mean, God dang. Aztec, what they want me to do, Aztec? Can you imagine somebody coming to you on your job and telling you, hey, listen, I know that you're not getting overtime right now and, you're not getting a raise. But listen, I'm going to give you an opportunity to be a part of something that is going to push damn near $200 billion into the market. You could do something now to take advantage of it. See, if you take your money and you put it in a savings account, they're going to give you 0.01% interest. If you take your money and you put it in a stock market, you'll get an average annual percentage, like an APY. You'll get an average of 7 to 10% over a year. But here's an opportunity for you to take advantage of something that can give you 20, 30, 40, 50% returns on your money in a week. Wow. Somebody say they give 5% now. That's stop lying, bro. Stop lying, bro. Banks don't give 5%. Stop, bro. Listen. Who told you that? No. I gotta address this. Whoa. Somebody's lost. We gotta find this person. They in the woods. Whoa. Setlock77 said they give 5% now. No. Who's lying to you? Banks? 5%? Bruh, no. That is, somebody's lying to you. I can show you matter of fact, I'll show you the top banks. Chase, APY Savings. That's the number one bank in the world. The second biggest bank in the world is Bank of America. So Bank of America Savings, APY. No, I'm just gonna make it real for you because I don't wanna, you know what I'm saying, act like, I'm just saying stuff or whatever. So I want to show it to you so you can see a person. Somebody, you're lost. I got to get you out the woods. No way that you're that lost. You think that you're getting 5%. What? Oh, by the way, I got to prove to you that these are the top banks in the world because I don't want you to think I'm just talking about some rinky-dinky banks. I know better than that. Remember, my information is my knowledge is, I'm on point with my knowledge. Let's see if I'm telling the truth. Here's your largest banks and bank holding companies by market cap. Let's see if I'm telling the truth. Here's your two banks in the world. They're the top two banks in the United States, but these are also the top two banks in the world. There's no other banks bigger than these two. Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase. All the rest of these guys have to fall back. See? JP Morgan, $600 billion market cap. Bank of America, $300 billion market cap. These are your two top banks in the world. Since those are your two top banks, I want to make sure that I'm fair to you when you say that they're giving you 5%. No, that 0.03, 0.01, these are fractions of pennies. You understand that? You could go here. This is Bank of America. This is on their website, my boy. Okay? And those are CDs. Here's Chase Savings Account for all account balances. Annual percentage yield, 0.01. So when you say 5%, what are you talking about? I just want to make sure you're not lost. They don't give 5%. That's negative on that. That's not how that works. Stop it. Banks are not going to pay you half of what you get from investing your money in the stock market over at APY. Investing your money in the stock market, I'm talking about QQQ or something like that, you're going to get an average return of 7 to 10%. That's investing. You think a bank is going to pay you that type of money for saving your money? They won't do that. They're there to make money from you putting your money in a savings account. When you put it in there and you call it savings, they call it liability. They don't actually hold your money and like, ooh, we got it, it's safe with us. The first thing they do is take it and lend it back out. They can't hold it because it becomes a liability. They have to lend it out and turn it into a debt for someone else so they can charge them 3 to 15% interest. So let me say this to you. You think a bank that lends money out that's charging people 3 to 15% interest based off of their credit is going to pay you 5% to hold it? That don't make sense. I'm just letting you know. I'm not even a banker and I'm telling you that don't make sense. You go talk to your banker and ask him if I'm telling you the truth though, because, maybe I'm making that up. I'm not. I promise you I'm not making that up. Does it sound like the information that I'm giving you is the truth? They just can't give you 5%, bro. That's all I'm trying to say. I don't want you to be lost on that, thinking that you're going to go to your bank and you're going to get 5%. I also don't want you to think that when you see 0.01%, I don't want you to think that's 1%. Most people think that because, I don't know, maybe they didn't pick their calculator up lately, but it's 1/100 of a percent. See, see, yeah. When you see 0.01%, I don't want you to think that that's 1% and you came up. It's a fraction of a percent. Let me show it to you on the calculator. Some people get lost on this, so I got to help them out. I don't want them to be lost. I don't want them to be lost. When you look at this is not 1%. 1% wouldn't have, you don't have needed Z0. You just put 1 and then the percent sign. This is 1%. Okay. This is 100th of a percent. Let me prove it to you. See, if you have 1 and then you hit the percent sign, it's this, right? But watch this. If you take 1% and you divide that by 0.01%, pay attention. So this is 100. Look, this is 100th of a percent. See it right there. It says 100. I pass math with an A, I promise you. Let me explain it to you the other way, okay? If you have $10,000, okay, and you multiply $10,000 times 1%, you're making $100 on your savings, right? And your percentage yield, you divide this by 12 months. This pays you $8.33 a month. But if you have $10,000 and you're only making 0.01%, which is 100th of a percent, you're only making $1. And when you divide that by 12 months, because it's APY, that's only 8 cents. There's a big ass difference between this and 1%. Right? I want to make sure you understand that. So when you tell me that a bank is giving you 5%, no, stop it. That's not how it works. I made A's in math. All right, let's go ahead and let's flip this camera back around and go. I just want to make sure, hey, double tap the screen if this information is solid. This is real utilitarian value. You can get off the live and you are smarter than you was when you got on this joint, because that is what you need when it comes to building wealth. You cannot be fooled by these numbers. You got to know these numbers backwards and forward. You got to know how they work. So because I just showed you guys that, pay attention to this. That was APY. So if I show you something like this in this crypto cheat guide that renders up 5.4%, you understand that this is 540 times your money than putting it in a bank account. Because I just told you that 1% is 100 of 0.01. So this is 540 times your money in one day. Somebody say, I didn't realize crypto was that ignorant. This is 650 times your money. This happened in a day. So watch this. Over the week, this is 2,600 times your money. This is 1,900 times your money. This is 3,600 times your money. I know some people are confused, so I got to bring that calculator back out because they don't even get it. Again, if you have $10,000 sitting in the bank and they pay you 0.01%, you're making 100th of a percent. So that is going to yield you $1 a year. That's your AP, and it takes a year for that, right? So if you take that same 10,000 and you're getting 26%, look, $10,000, and you multiply this by 26.2, let's hit the percent sign. See that? Watch this. That's $2,620. So if you take $2,620 and you divide it by $1, this is 2,600 times your money when I show you this. I know I pass math with an A, I promise you. This is 1,207. You get the idea, don't you? It's crazy. This is insane. So when you start talking about people that are been investing for years, hundreds of years, they've been putting their money in the stock market, Wall Street. They've only been getting an average of 7 to 10%. This is a fact. So when you bring 2, 3, 4, 5 times what the average person that was building wealth on Wall Street was doing, and I'm doing that in a day or a week, oh shit. That's when you realize, oh, I can't play around with this. I can't play around with this, because if I take my money and I put it in a savings account, there's no way that I can catch up to the wealth building that people are doing all around me. Any type of investing, stocks, real estate, but if they're investing their money and I'm saving money, I am at a severe disadvantage. So then you say, well, I'm not going to save. I'm investing. And you put it in the stock market. Nothing wrong with the stock market if you understand the long-term play. Stock market is only going to yield you 7 to 10% on average. And the great thing about a stock market is you're dealing with companies that have trillions of dollar market caps like Apple and Microsoft or whatever. These are blue chip stocks. You can put your money there, park it there, and just sit, and it'll give you 7 to 10% returns. And then that magical thing happens. It's called compounded interest. So you wait. So it might take you 10 years. You got $1,000. It might take you 10 years for that $1,000 to go to like $50,000. And then it might take you another 8 years or something like that for to go from 50,000 to 150,000. But then that compounded interest starts kicking in. And then 2-3 years, you turn 150,000 to something like 350,000. And then the next year it goes from 350 to like 500,000. Because compounded interest is the eighth wonder of the world. But you got to be in the market. It's not timing the market. It's time in the market when it comes to stocks. This crypto thing, though, this is a whole different ballgame. These goddamn numbers are happening by the day, by the week, by the month, by the year. And they're giving you 50 times, 100 times your money than if it was in a stock market. Definitely you don't want to talk about this for savings, right? This is nothing to play around with. Let's keep going. I had to do that because I seen somebody say, no, 5%. But now they know better. They know better now. They know their banks is not paying them 5%. Does that sound right, y'all? Double tap the screen if the information that I said is just 100% true. Now, nothing that I said to you was like misguidance or anything like what they call half-truths and forgeries. None of that information I gave you was half-truths or forgeries. It was 100%. Understanding that type of stuff right there can literally put you in a different realm of wealth building strategies. Period. So, watch this. And this ain't a nanny boo boo moment. Y'all know what I'm saying when you say nanny boo boo, right? Let me ask y'all a question. And I'm just going to use some very simple math. This might be a nanny boo boo moment, okay? This might be a Mork and Mindy nanu. For those of you who understand that. Nanu. It might be a Mork and Mindy type of moment. Please turn your attention back to the screen and lock in. And lock in. Let's take $1,000. $1K. Not a lot of money, but just $1K. Okay. I'm going to make a statement, and you tell me if you feel like these statements is true. And then I'm going to show you the difference. Listen, financially challenged or poor people. Look, I'm putting it in air quotes here because I don't like using the word poor, but I got to make sure you understand. Financially challenged individuals or poor people, they spend money. They're consumers. When they got their stimulus checks, they went out and they went on vacations. Ooh, airlines are super cheap. I'm gonna go around the world. I'm gonna fly to all different kind of places. I'm gonna buy the new Apple phone or whatever. They're consumers. Is this a true statement? Now I'm using this community to make sure that I'm staying on track because I don't want to mislead anybody. Most of your poor people, right, or financially challenged individuals, they're just consumers. Okay, we agree with that. Okay. Middle class people save money. They're not consumers like that. They have some type of a savings. They have some type of discipline and they save. These are middle class individuals. Is this true? Okay. Wealthy people invest money. You don't know anybody that's wealthy that's got there by saving money, right? So wealthy people invest. Y'all agree with this statement? Okay. Now let me show you the difference. First of all, you already know the deal with consumers. Okay. So with savings, I'm going to show you how these people, I'm going to do it one more time. Then I'm going to show you about investors. And then I'm going to show you that there's another level. I gave you three. Financially challenged people that spend money all the time, consumers. People that save money, people that invest money. There's another level. Yeah. So let me go and show you the other level. So you ready? Let's go over it. This is, you got to lock in. Make sure somebody said there's another level. Yes, 100%. So right here, here's Chase savings account, number one bank in the world, and I'm gonna do this one more time. We're only using $1,000 Got $1,000. Most people can scrounge up $1,000 for savings. This is their dream to start there. So $1,000. Chase is gonna pay you 0.01%. Okay, so congratulations. You're making, look, congratulations, you're making 10 cents. Some of y'all can't believe that. So let me pull it up to $10,000 because you can't even believe the numbers. 10,000 times 0.01%. This number down here, hundredth of a percent. You're making $1 a year. You got 10 G's. You make $1 a year. Okay, great. Watch this. Investors invest. This is my crypto cheat guide. It literally costs $27. The link to grab this thing, there's a link in my bio to go grab this and punch that information in and grab this book. If you don't listen to that, I'm letting you know again, this is 2,600 times the wealth building strategy that the average person that's saving money is doing out here. They don't stand a chance. Now I'm gonna just move this over here and just show you one more time. $10,000, right, times 26%, okay, is $2,600. This is 2,600 times more powerful than putting that shit in a savings account. You are at a severe disadvantage, my boy. Hey, ma'am, if somebody puts 10 G's in investment and they get 26% return on their money, you are at a severe disadvantage. And that happened in a year to do that. It took them 1 week. Do you understand that you have a problem? You right? Okay. But let me explain it to you. You see, when you go over here and you look at these particular assets, right? And I click on something like the day. When you leverage, this is not 5%. On leverage, it's 50% in 1 day. If you don't understand what I'm saying to you, I'm telling you there's another level. There's people that know how to invest that have leverage on their investing. So when they see a 5% move in a day on a 10x, that's 50% on their money in a fucking day. Do you understand you're at a severe disadvantage when it comes to wealth building? There's different levels. Calvin, you act like you getting, no. Let me explain something to you. 110% on that. You made 11 G's and it happened in a day. In 1 day. Do you think that's possible? Wait, I'm not done. What if you had 10 G's, right? And you got 300% on that money in a day? Do you think that's possible? What if I moved it out to a week? Do you think it's possible? Do you think that if I said 100% or 300% in a week, do you think that's possible? Do you think it's anybody out here doing something like that? Yeah, of course it is. Of course it is. People like me. There's people out here like me doing this all day, every day. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. See, I'm the other level. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the other level. You get what I'm saying? This ain't luck, right? There's too many of these to be luck, right? I'm the other level. Extreme wealth. I'm the next level up. I want y'all to be financially free. If you don't understand these different levels and you don't start with level 1, everybody wants to come in and be on level 10. Have you ever played video games? You just can't jump into level 10. Well, I mean, you can if you got the cheat code, Calvin. I mean, if you go and you left, up, down, right, up, down, left, right, up, down, and with, well, this ain't Nintendo. This stop. You don't have a controller that plugs in here to the crypto universe and the blockchain, and you can just go up, down, left, right. But you got to do it fast though. Damn it, I thought I had it. No, bro, I'm just telling you, when you hit the power button and it come on, as soon as it come on and you see it, you got to go up, down, left, right, down. You don't have that. Some of y'all laughing because y'all know I'm OG. I'm just a middle-aged black man on TikTok. I just remember the cheat code stuff when you hit it real fast. There it is. There it is. Yeah, I'm about to level. You don't have that here, sir. Ma'am, you don't have that. So the cheat code, somebody just said it. They saw where I was going with this. If you want the controller and you want to hit the little secret code to go in here to dive into this, my ebook is the cheat code. It's literally the cheat code. The crypto cheat. I call it the crypto cheat guide. Can you imagine that? Calvin, I went all the way around the world. Did you see what he did? He went all the way around the world just to get back over here to where his ebook is. Yes, I did. You just do. If you want to level up and you want to start getting to the money, you got to start getting this information, and you got to start leveling. You start with level 1, level 2, level 2, level 3, level 3, level. Why you said? Well, you said you repeated level 2 twice, and then you level 3 because some of y'all you're gonna be on level 2 for a minute. Is level 2 what's that? Oh damn! I didn't get it that time though. Try again. It's all good. I said, you what? You be doing your stuff. It's oh shit. Bing, boing, boing, boing. Shit. Yeah. That's why I said level 2, level 2, level 3, level 3. You think you just gonna just keep on sliding through all of these levels? You know how many times I was on level 2? And just kept on bringing back those nasty memories of Donkey Kong. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to use it. My Mario. Oh, I'm talking about all the OG games. Contra. Almost okay. All right, I'll stop. Y'all just want to go ahead and win. Y'all just want to go straight in and win all the games. I got you. All right, no problem. No problem. I still remember the jingle. That's how long I was. Shit. Get the cheat code, man. Get the cheat code. Crypto cheat guide. Go here. Do yourself a favor. You trying to understand the power of owning these things. It's all inside of this ebook. I'll show you too. Powerofpublish.co. Go here and download the ebook. I'm going to show it to you too. This is the cover. Do you realize that I show people my ebook, what's inside of it? Cryptocurrency basics, investing in crypto, chapter 1, exchanges, right? Understanding Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of this stuff. Chapter 2, how to set up portfolios, risk assessment, the importance of regulation, risk management strategies, creating your investment strategy, defining goals, all of that, diversification tips, right? Active versus passive investing up here, crypto wallets, how those actually work. The pros and cons, benefits of having it, all kind of stuff is up in here. Where to buy them, how to use them, all kind of stuff. Implementing two-factor authentications up here, navigating bear and bull markets, key bullet points to crypto bull markets and bear markets with charts. Simplified overview of typical 4-year cycles is up in here. Crypto staking and rewards is up in here. Telling you the benefits of crypto staking and rewards, how to actually stake your crypto. 7 lingo and terms for Bitcoin and crypto, right? Look at all that. Sites like this. What site is that? I won't hold you. Crypto Bubbles. I won't even hold you. CryptoBubbles.net. There's like at least 15 to 20 other sites that's just as dope and important as this when it comes to crypto. Won't you just make sure that you grab that and don't be playing out here? Okay, got you. Keep going. Chapter 9, 10 common crypto mistakes. Number 1, not taking profits. This is where most people get crushed when it comes to crypto. Crypto tips to remember for basic tax information and KYC information. Dollar cost averaging strategies up in here. Lessons for cryptocurrency investors. 10 crypto, how to avoid those. Yikes, right? More common types of yikes, right? What happens if I already got this done on social media? How do I avoid it there? What happens if I already got yikes? That's the entire ebook. It's amazing. Now let me go back over here and show you. There you go. Bam. That's where you get the ebook. Calvin, how much does it cost? I ain't gonna hold you. If you want the combo, most people do. The combo is an investment of $47. Man, I ain't investing $47 for no ebook. It's probably not even worth that. These are sitting inside of that ebook, and that means if you got $100 worth of crypto, you only need a 47% return to get your investment back. Here you go. Screenshot this so you can stop having excuses, because I need you to get out of your own way. This is in my crypto cheat guide. Here's what these things have done in the last year. There you go. So now you have 0 excuses. Now I'm going to make sure that you don't have no excuses. I'm also going to go here and show you my trade assets and what they have done for the year. There you go. You have 0 excuses. Powerofpublish.co. What you see inside of this book is no joke. This book right here is 7 proven steps to 6-figure affiliate marketing, because crypto and investing doesn't work that well when you don't have cash flow, liquidity, right, in front of it. Capital in front of it. The more capital you have, meaning 100 G's, you will do a lot better in crypto. Does that even make sense? Yeah, I promise you it does. So most people buy this combo. If you don't want the combo, you can buy this stuff individually. Maybe you already have a master's degree or a PhD. You're already a 6-figure earner. Great. You need to know what to do with that money when it comes to investing in crypto. That's all. If you already know how to do crypto, but you don't have no capital, well, this book will be for you. You're just missing capital, cash flow, liquidity, right? Do you see the difference between these? Most people like, nah, don't leave me out. I want both of them. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. This right here shows you how to actually take profits from your crypto. This is a done-for-you video course, maximizing your crypto profits with custom spreadsheets to help you lock in huge gains. It's 4 spreadsheets that comes with videos. Somebody say it's a mini video course. Damn. This is how you come up on crypto like a boss. Now you see the importance of this link. Okay, great. Let's flip the camera around. Now, I see my brother Deep Dark down there saying, bro, guys, what? This is the OG account. A lot of y'all don't even know. You just cruising through TikTok or whatever, and you've been so wrapped up in TikTok stuff or whatever, you never really took the time to even see that I have an official account. You never saw who I was following. Let me flip the camera around and show it to you. See right here. This is the account that I normally go live on. This is the backup count, 546,000 followers. I'm only following one person. Let me click on this and see who I'm following. Oh, imagine that. I'm following my official account, my official branded account, Power of Publish. That means if I click over here, I'm live right now, 1.3 million followers. This is the OG account, tiktok.com at Power of Publish. You see my brand over there? You see it all back here on my wall and stuff like this, right? This is the OG account that I'm on. I don't go live on this all the time. I'm on my backup account. That's where y'all found me. I like to make sure I protect this account. TikTok can be real fugazi at times. The reason that I'm not on the backup account is because they started getting a little bit too saucy with me. They suspended my account in the middle of a live. Again, I'm like, bro, what are y'all, what's the deal? They don't want y'all to be rich. They don't want you to be financially free. They don't, whatever your GOAT word is when it comes to building wealth, they don't want you to have it. So they want to restrict people like me from helping y'all use this platform to build wealth. They much rather have y'all out here dancing and shit. What? So they'll do. I'm sorry for my language on this 939. I'm sorry the kids might be up, but they'll fuck with me, people like me, because I'm out here showing y'all how to use this platform to build another type of wealth instead of out here entertaining people. How you do that? What is it? T'Challa? What other? Yeah. Okay. How much money is that making you again? You got 100,000 people following you. Okay, great, real estate agent. You really know how to dance, barber. You really know how to dance, beautician. You really know how to dance, tax attorney, accountant. But how much money are you making with these damn dancing ass videos? We out here getting 300, 400, 500 times our money, 1,500 times our money in a week, in a day, while y'all out here dancing. Now you know why. Now you know why they aggressively mess with me. You don't want to know what's funny? And this is only for my OGs. Hey, OGs, isn't it funny? How come y'all ain't saying, hey, Cal, your VPN, Cal? You lagging, bro. You lagging. What? Your VPN. How come y'all ain't saying that? I'm on my OG account. Where's the lag? How come y'all ain't screaming VPN? See? You see what I'm saying? Talk to me now. Am I talking that talk? I'm keeping it real. Zero lag over here on the OG account. Why is that account? Why all of a sudden did it start lagging? Over these last couple weeks or so, why the lag? And then why the suspension? Do you think that's an accident? Come on, talk to me. Talk to me. And then you got so many people out there, they're so shallow-minded. It's like, oh, millionaire but can't afford fast internet. How you getting it and you can't even afford fast internet? Ha, 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 ha. These are shallow-minded individuals. They have no idea the powers that be that's trying to keep them from being wealthy. These people are going to stay in a goddamn box. I'm trying to get people out of a box. They're so shallow-minded that all they can think, they think I got slow internet. Me. Me. What? Nah, it's not how that works. I'm doing the best I can, man, but they trying to shut y'all water off. They trying to shut your water off. You can be out here thirsty. I'm just rocking with y'all. I'm just rocking with y'all, trying to wake y'all up, man. And I ain't talking about woke, you know what I'm saying, from the aspect of everybody woke. But seriously, I'm literally grabbing you and I'm not violently shaking you, but I'm just kind of Like, hey, you good? Hey, no, get present. Are you up? You up? You up? You up? I'm not doing it violently. I'm just a little bit of. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, man. All right, I hope y'all can see it. I hope y'all can see it, because if y'all can see it, then you'll be in a much better place. You'll be in a much better place when you start recognizing this stuff, man. That everybody don't want y'all to win. They much rather keep y'all in this little bitty box, programmed to think that everything is against you and everybody is against you. Everything and everybody is against you. Crazy, man. All right, listen. Yeah, listen. There's somebody on here. I'm just gonna acknowledge this. I'm gonna acknowledge what this person is saying. Somebody just said, look, somebody just came in here and they just said BTC bearish divergence in the RSI, not good. I'm taking a minute right here. I gotta just take a minute on this. I gotta walk around for this one. I gotta walk around for this one. I got it. I got it, chat. I got this. I'm taking a deep breath here for a second so I don't come in hot. I'm walking around. I don't want to come in hot on this one. Who and what charts are you looking at? Whose charts and what charts are you? Bearish divergence? I'm gonna show everybody. Let's look at, see, I'm gonna show everybody, because I don't want people to think that I'm just a know-it-all. Bearish divergence. You can go do this. Somebody said, what's that? What's that? Well, let's go look at it. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. This is what you're gonna get. He's talking about the RSI, which I will show you. He's saying that, Bitcoin's going up, but the RSI is going down. That would be bearish divergence. This is what he's saying. He's saying that he sees this. That's what he's saying, right? Yes or no? Let me flip my camera around. Yes or no? Is that what bearish divergence is? I want to make sure. Okay. You're saying that it ain't good. You're saying that it ain't good, but let me explain this to you. Bro, this is the daily chart. Help me out. This is Bitcoin going up. This is your relative strength index. Let me explain something to you. What do you mean when you say bearish divergence? This is a high. This is a higher high. This is a higher high. These are higher highs. This is a low. This is a higher low. Look, what do you mean when you say bearish? This is not a bearish divergence, my boy. This is super bullish. This is the daily chart. I don't give a shit about 4-hour charts and 1-hour charts. This is for swing traders. This is for day traders. And this is for people scalping the market. True investors understand that the daily chart is not no bullish divergence, no bearish divergent bull crap. That's the daily. Let me show you further out. This is your 2-day chart. Oh, wow. Imagine that. By the way, for those of you who don't understand how this works, whenever this relative strength index falls under this moving average, you will come crashing down. Newsflash. This RSI is far above this moving average. And this is a high, and this is a higher high. You see that? That's a higher high. We're creating higher highs now. That's the 2-day. Hold on. Let's go here to the weekly for a second. I dare not look at the weekly. Hold on. Whoa. Look at this. This is your relative strength index falling under the moving average. And this is because this is a weekly chart. Let me explain to you. From the time that this happened, look, from here to over here, look, over here, 168 days. You can divide this by 30 days. Basically, what I'm telling you is this is months and months and months of crashing down because we're under the moving average. Hey, you keep telling me stuff about bearish divergence or whatever. Bro, this is a breakout of the weekly RSI. This is major. 1, 2, 3 weeks upwards action, and you just broke out of the moving average on the weekly chart. You don't think this is bullish? This is ridiculous, man. I went around, I walked around a little bit because I didn't want to come in hot. I hope I didn't come in too hot on this one. But let me explain something to you. You got to be out of your mind if you think that this is not bullish. Don't want to hear nothing about no damn bearish divergence and all that bullshit, man. This thing is bullish, bro. I'm showing you weekly charts, daily charts, 2-day charts. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Oh, by the way, because I like to, for shits and giggles, I like to double down on stuff sometimes, even though that was a double. So let me triple down. 1 month chart. Here's your 1 month chart. Here's your relative strength index crossing over. Pay attention. Here's your relative strength index crossing over the moving average. This was way back here in January of 2023. We are in a bull market. And I know this because this moving average is not falling under, this RSI is not falling under this moving average. In fact, it only dipped its toe down here and it is back up, right back off of that moving. We are in a bull market. This is all the way back here to January of 2023. It is up and it's 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 up. Even when it pulled back to the moving average. It bounced right off of that bitch so we can continue this bull run. What do you mean when you say bear? See, I like to talk to people and tell it to them right. I like to make sure they know where we at with this now, And it's up 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 and it. Oh, I got somebody who can say it better. And it's up 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 and it's up. Right, Cardi? You can ask any of these people over here. They know what's up. Right, Mary? Right, Tiana? B.O.B. Tyrese? Right? It's up. Right? Right? It's up. Right? Not bearish. I don't want to come hot. Somebody said, where's Diddy? You won't find Diddy on my wall. Are you kidding me? Y'all wow. Y'all wow. I know. I've seen him around. I've seen Diddy around, bro. Making the band. I've seen him around. He's an asshole. And it's up 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 and it's up. All right. Somebody say, let's see what we got here. My comment's still right, though. I said 4-hour chart is pulling back. Bro, what you said is bearish divergence, and that's not good for Bitcoin. Don't mix words, bro. I know exactly what you said. So you're not right. You said that you didn't say, you said, hey, Bitcoin's got a bearish divergence. That's not good for Bitcoin. That's what you said. And I said, I don't care about 4-hour charts. They don't mean anything in a macro element of the bull market. If you read my ebook, you understand that we don't care nothing about 4-hour charts around here. I make more money on 4-hour charts than most of the people that you know. Seriously, I can show you the trades that I'm in right now, 4-hour charts. I make an insane amount of money on 4-hour charts. But the average person, they don't even know how 4-hour charts work. Since the average person doesn't know, and I was trying to remain not saucy, but you kept going in. I tried to do it in a way where I wasn't saucy, but now I gotta get saucy. No disrespect, but I am gonna get saucy with you now because you keep on pressing it. So watch this. 4-hour chart. Since you want to go there, let's go there. Here it goes. People like to do it, but I don't know why they like to do this with me, but don't worry, I got you though. So you're talking about a 4-hour chart. So here's what you need to know about 4-hour charts. 4-hour charts are not for anybody that doesn't care anything about, other than 2 or 3 trades. Right. Well, I should say 4-hour charts, 6 to 10 trades over 2 to 3 days. Let me explain it to you. See, you're worried about Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart. You can look at the RSI or the stochastic RSI. It doesn't really matter to me. But what I'm explaining to you is these are trading time frames. And I understand them very clear because I'm the one who created this whole entire chart. I do this for real. People that trade or look at stuff on a daily chart are looking at the next 15 to 20 days as a forecast. They're only looking for 1 to 2 trades in a month. 12-hour chart, 8 to 15 day forecast, they're looking for 2 to 3 trades. You get where this is going. 8-hour chart, 3 to 5 trades per month, 4 to 7 days. You're talking to me about a 4-hour chart. Bro, I understand this shit more than most people. You're forecasting what the next 2 to 3 days will be for Bitcoin. Who cares about 2 or 3 days? If you're playing this right, you're getting 6 to 10 trades out of that. Now, let me see if this is correct. Pay attention. This is Bitcoin, yeah? Let's go over here to the 4-hour chart. And let me go ahead now and let me refresh this. Now, let me just see something here for shits and giggles. This is Bitcoin making a move. Look, oversold, overbought right here. You can clearly see that we're pushing down now. So this is oversold, this is overbought. And you can see, boom, this is a great entry point. That means if you was trading this on a 4-hour chart, this would have been a lot of money for you. Facts. How long did it take to go from here to here? Don't worry, I got you in front of everybody. From this peak, this trough right here. So right, these are peak and trough. So from that trough up here to this peak, look what that did. That took 1 day and 16 hours. If you stretch it out to where it is right now, because it hasn't fell below this 80 mark right here, this is 2 days and 4 hours. Imagine that I'm telling you that you're forecasting 2 to 3 days when you're dealing with a 4-hour chart. You're looking for 6 to 10. I do this shit. I keep telling people, I don't understand why they don't understand. Let's just go here and see from this peak to this trough. How long did that take? Let's go over here to the measuring tool and see for ourselves. Here's the measuring tool. So from this peak right here, down here to this first trough, 1 day and 16 hours. Before we broke out to the next trade, 2 days and 20 hours. We could just call that 3 days. It's funny that I keep telling you that a 4-hour chart is 2 to 3 days of forecasting for 6 to 10 trades in the month. If I was to back this up, you're only getting an average of 6 to 10 trades in a 30-day period using a 4-hour chart. I understand this better than most people. What? That means if you wanted to make some money doing what I'm showing you, you could look, this is very easy. Let me go. Trade. From here to here, that is a trade for 7%. For people like me that use 10x leverage, this is 70% right there. I'm just going to keep on going. So that's 70%. This right here is a trade. That's another 340% on the way down. You see where this is going real fast. This is not going to be nice, do you? Watch, I'm going to keep going. This is a trade from here up here. right? I can see the peak and the crossings right there. So that's another 80% for me right there. Do you see where I'm going with this? I'm going to continue to trade this. But if you are very much so a rookie, you could take this one out and you could take this out. You could just ride this up here, right? Look, this is your trade right here. You come in on this trade. Let me move this over. Look, from there to up here is one trade. Right, 10 or 11% going from here to here. Great. That's basic moves. Now you're shorting the market from here, right? You're shorting the market down here to this. A little 2% trade right there. The market is pretty much moving sideways on you right there. You get the idea? I can go and grab, this is 3, 4, 5 trades inside of here. Facts. And this is spending all the way back here. Just go all the way back. You just get 6 to 10 trades out of this. Making literally thousands of dollars. So, I was trying not to get saucy though, but I understand, man. I'm not here to tongue wrestle with you, but at the same time, I'm running a live here. So, but if you challenge me on my live, then I got to make sure that I let the audience know that I'm not no rookie at this stuff. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. Saucy stuff right there. Damn. How do you think I'm getting these things up here for 400? Let me go back and show them. How do you think this is happening? How do you think these trades are happening? You don't think I understand this? These trading time frames? How do you think this happens? It's not luck. It's because I understand how it works. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. All right, let's get something else. It's too much. Somebody said, you're always saying we're living in the moment. Show us what you think might happen next. I think I'm ready to get off the live today. I think that was the button. That was the button. That was the button. Somebody just said, you always saying if. We're living in the moment. Show us what you think might happen next. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. Sir. Sir. This is for you. This is just a blast from the past. I'm not even going to go. Look. July the 24th. Where was you at? When you say, show us what you might think might happen next, look at all these screenshots. What the hell you think these are? What do you think this is when I'm screenshotting this and I'm telling you what might happen next? Where have you been? I have been doing this for months. I've been doing this for years. What do you mean when you say, show us what you might think might happen? What is on my TikTok timeline? Hold on. Maybe you're not paying attention. Bitcoin update. Days ago, people was absolutely scared to buy crypto. Here's the historical values for the Fear and Greed Index. Last month, it was fearful. Today, we are at greed. You can see this here. I wonder what changed. Well, I'll tell you exactly what changed. 30 days ago, which is August the 28th, you see this candle here. Bitcoin was falling down, and I'm explaining to you what happens next. People are greedy now. The markets are dynamic and they're constantly moving. And if you don't see, this is the 28th, and so this is the move I just talked about. If you zoom out, this you're not watching this. You're not watching this. Highs are done. We have now created a higher high. We're going up. Hey, don't ignore that. We're going up. Oh. Oh, this is very fast. Look. You asking me why? What am I? I'm showing you. What is this video telling you here? What does it say there? Are you watching the videos? Look. Yeah, remember when I told you when we find $65,000 support, 70,000 is next. That's not if. I just told you what it is. His crew was your crew, or they might be next. Punch him in his eye while his man's watching. Go in his pockets. Intuition. Don't make me play that. Hustle, lust, layer. His crew is your crew, or they might be next. You don't think I chose that song for? I chose my songs. It's layers, boy. I'm sorry, y'all. It's layers to this, man. I'm wilding out. Y'all better stop poking the bear. Look, when I'm telling you that there's layers to this, they didn't even get that. They didn't even pay attention. Look, somebody up in here didn't even get it today that I was going to be on one. Let me flip the camera around so they can see. They're not paying attention. Hold on. I script my screen on this one. I don't even know. Yeah, this is my daughter's brand. Don't poke bears. Don't poke bears. Don't poke bears. Y'all out here letting a 15-year-old build brands. I'm not gonna go there. That's, you know what? I'm gonna say this nice. Is this on? Okay. This is my daughter's brand. Yeah, let me give you the story behind this. Okay. Investing works better when you have money, when you have capital, cash flow, liquidity. You want to know what's special about this? My daughter is a hooper. She can hoop. So we're watching the game. And you remember when LeBron James got into it with Dylan Brooks? Dylan Brooks was like, you know what I'm saying? He old. That's what y'all be calling me. Yeah, he old. I don't respect nobody that can't even give me 40. I got you. Y'all go out here and y'all start poking bears. Well, guess what? My daughter is a product of me. She looked at that and she was like, oh man, that's dope. Don't poke bears. LeBron came back and gave him 20 rebounds, you know what I'm saying, and 20 points. Gave him 40 with 20 rebounds and 20 points. Then came back and actually gave him straight 40 points. She was like, don't poke bears. She was like, yo, that's dope. I'm gonna create a brand around that. And she did. This bear has a crown on his head. Don't go poking bears. You want to know what's crazy about that? When they started using it all over the internet, all on, you know what I'm saying, Stephen A. show and all that, it was just everybody's don't poke bears, don't poke bears. I flew my daughter out to a game. Some of my OGs know this. I flew my daughter out to LA to go see LeBron James play Steph Curry, and we was wearing her brand. We sold so many shirts from being, because I got the best seats. We was up in the building, and they was like, damn, where did you get those? Where did you get that? The plane ticket and the trip and the ticket, all that shit paid for itself. And I made sure that I support my daughter. Y'all gonna let a 15-year-old just get out here and make this bread? Her investment portfolio is monstrous. She got income coming in. It's crazy. You think I'm not gonna support my baby? Woo! Woo! That's crazy, ain't it? Y'all ain't understanding. Y'all ain't out here. I keep on tell you, I'm praying for y'all and y'all families, and I'm trying to teach y'all that when y'all start doing this with your family, and you start teaching them, boy, it get real wild out here. It get crazy. It get crazy. Yeah. And the beautiful thing about this now is guess what? This is literally something in the sports world. The term, don't poke bears. We own it. Go to don'tpokebears.com. We own that. Don'tpokebears.com. We own that. She 15. She 15. She's 15. She's 15 out here balling. But I'm so proud of her, man. That's just crazy. That's crazy. Yeah. All right. 15 out here just killing the game. Somebody said, any more crypto to buy today? Here you go. I got something for you. I got an answer for that question. The question is, any more crypto to buy today? I got you. I got you. Straight up and down. Watch this. You ready? Hey, lock in. This is time to lock in. The question is, any more crypto? Hey, is any more crypto to buy? Like anything? Oh, okay. So let me set this up. The U.S. government has cut rates. Yes or no? 50 basis point rate cut. Yes. 50, right? 50 basis point. That's not the end of that. For anybody that understands macroeconomics, they're going to continue. They don't just come in and swoop in and cut one time and then it's over with. They're going to continue to cut. At some point, there'll be a double cut. I'm telling you, they're going to be doing this all throughout 2025. Guess who else just cut rates and made money cheap? China. So listen, you got everybody in here now giving you their opinion. H-bar, Gala, this, that, whatever. No, I got something for you. I got something better for you. You ready? Here's what you buy next. Look.
They're open. They're stay open. And what did they say? They say they want economic growth, right? Is that what they said? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And they said, we want economic growth and we don't even care. Not only do we not care if there's inflation, but we want a little bit more inflation.
So
they said they want the market up. Okay, so what am I? I'm going to say no, Fed. I disagree with you. I don't want to be long. Two things are happening. It's that easy sometimes. So either the economy is going to get better by itself in the next 3 months, or what assets are going to do well. You can guess the assets are going to do well. Stocks are going to do well. Bonds won't do so well. Gold won't do as well. Or the economy's not going to pick up in the next 3 months, and the Fed's going to come in with QE, right?
This is 2010, but keep paying attention.
Everything in the near term. Everything. So the question was China going to...
That was 2010. This is today. China just cut rates. We have cut rates.
Do the things that you want them to do. You're saying we're going to cut and we'll give you more. And he said, we'll do more and more if needed. I don't care what this election is, and they're worried about this candidate and that candidate. Some candidates might want to go to Abenomics, and I don't care. They don't even understand it yet. This just happened last night. The market doesn't understand it yet. I went over that limit on the Fed announcement. I went more when they said a day or two ago on their Fed.
Yeah, you might want to pay attention.
Night, I did more. Listen, a long time ago, in 2010, I think I said everything.
And I remember when you said
and
everything.
you know what's good?
You were right.
Everything. Okay? Mm-hmm. Everything.
Just Alibaba? Or are you talking JD, Baidu, PDB, the two Chinese ETFs? Everything. China.
Bring me everyone.
Bring me everyone.
Everyone!
Okay? Everything. Listen, it's one thing for me to just say that to you and just be laughing and joking around and shit like that. But here's what I want to show. I want to explain something to you. This is your top 100 cryptos in the last 7 days. Everything. Pick one. I have an ebook that I've wrote for you that gives you really good shit, but everything. This is your top 100 cryptos for the last week. Everything. Calvin, that's just the top 100. Here's your top 200. Everything. Here's your top 300. Everything. Here's your top 400 cryptos. Here's your top 500 cryptos. Here's your top 600 cryptos. Do you understand? Now, if you want to cherry pick, I've already done that for you. I have a crypto cheat guide. Everything. This is in my crypto cheat guide. Everything. Calvin, what about your meme coins that you're in? Everything. Calvin, what about your artificial intelligence projects? Everything. Calvin, what about your Monster X projects? Everything except for Rollbit right now, which is waking up, and Zenfin. Everything. What about your X-Men projects? Everything. You understand me? Calvin, what about your trade assets? Everything. People are getting ready to lose their minds. You haven't even seen what happens as a result of the federal government cutting rates and making money cheap by 50 basis points. They have not done that since 2020. If you don't understand macroeconomics, don't worry, I got you. Somebody say, he's got them. Let me remind you and show you what happened to crypto, not Bitcoin, crypto, after 2020's rate cuts. Pay attention. Oh, let me pull this up, by the way, too. Fed rate cut 2020, 50 basis points. September 18th, 2024, 50. Yeah. Okay, look, you can go look this up and go see. When COVID happened, right? They cut 50 basis points in 2020 during COVID. They had a double cut. They cut 50, then they cut 100. If you don't understand that and don't know that, go look it up. I don't have time to look it up for you and show it to you, but I'm just telling you, you could go look it up. Look at this. This is March of, you know what? Let me do it. Because if I don't do it, you won't believe me. So let's go here. March 2020, Fed rate cut 50 basis points. Look. Let's go here and pull this up and find an article for you. This is Fortune magazine. Are they gonna let me read it? Oh no, Fortune want me to sign up. I'm not doing that. Oh, check this out. Look, the Fed institutes 50 base point rate cut, right? This happened on September the 18th. But look, they have not done that for the first time since March of 2020. They have not cut 50 basis points since March of 2020. Now that you understand that, this is your total crypto market cap. This is March of 2020. And this is the entire crypto market cap after the federal rate cut. They just cut 50 basis points. Look at where we are right now. They did that on September the 18th. Let me explain something to you in case you haven't figured this out yet. Let me go here to September the 18th, which is right here. Pay very close attention to you. This is no joke. The day that they cut the rates, look at where we were. We was right here. Let me give you the line. From here, right? From here to where we are right now. Look. 278 billion. We're just getting started. Since September the 18th, when they cut the rates by 50%, it ain't been but a couple of days. The market has already put damn near $300 billion in the market. This is just beginning. You know that this really doesn't even take off until 5 or 6 months from now. We've cut in the United States and they cut in China. You haven't even seen the gains that are coming into crypto. Not just crypto, but stock market too. It's going to be insane. Listen to me. I'm going to say this very clear. And again, you have not seen the amount of money that is coming into these risk-on assets like crypto and stocks. We're already up damn near $300 billion since they cut the rate. Let that sink in for a second. From September 18th to today, that's what, 10 days? 10 days? $300 billion already. Right. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. And if you go back to what I showed you in 2020, look at this. I'm going back here to show you because men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. Look at this. We're going all the way back to this, and I'm going to draw this through this. People don't even understand. Look. From down here, March of 2020, up here, pay attention. Look. Follow the bouncing balls. Hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, hundreds of billions, 2.8 trillion. This is not make-believe numbers. The market was down here at $116 billion. It ended up at 3 trillion. We put $2.4 trillion into the market after the rate cut. Walk around on that one. What? Bring it in here for a second, because I'm trying to make stuff real for you. Have you seen what your crypto portfolios have done in the last 10 days? That was only 200 and something billion. Like 278, 79, 89 billion. That was only like $300 billion. Trillions of dollars is coming into this market. You haven't even seen what your portfolio is going to look like. Do you believe me? See, we gotta make sure. Do you believe what I am saying to you? This time, not only did the U.S. cut, but China just cut. I don't think people understand. Trillions of dollars is coming into the crypto market space. Trillions is coming into the stock market. If you are not in place, if you are not ready, you will not be happy. This is macroeconomics. This don't even have nothing to do with crypto. I'm talking to you about macroeconomics. You have not seen. And I'm trying to get you to understand. Look at your crypto portfolio. Look what it has done in the last 10 days. You're dealing with $300 billion. That's nothing. Right? This ain't real. Right? Look. My trade assets in the last 30 days. This is nothing. This looks like something, but these are low numbers. They're not real big numbers. Your top 100 look like this. This is your top 100 crypto assets. This is less than 30 days. It's only been 10 days. oh my gosh. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, man, oh my gosh. When you start thinking about it, you say to yourself, you're like, oh man. There's some of y'all right now, you're sitting with a portfolio that's $1,000. It is going to 3, 5, 10x on you. 3,000, 5,000, $10,000. Some of y'all got a $10,000 portfolio. It is going to go to 30 and then 50 in days. It will be days when it happens. It has only been 10 days and you have top 100 cryptos that are up 100+%. 10 days. The parabolic bull market phase happens for months. I'm not making this up for you. Let me see if I can help you out. I'm not going to make this up for you. This a long time. Hey, look. From this right here to this peak right here, that's not 600 days? Okay, let's do it from this one. From this right here up to this right here, that ain't 122 days? To this side over here, that ain't 300 days. This is going 300 days of just going rocket stuff. Calvin, just do it from this one. Just do it from here. Just do it from here to here. 114 days. Y'all are dealing with stuff that happened in 10 days and this stuff looks like this. What are you going to do when this is happening over 100 days, period? Y'all gonna be losing your damn mind. Y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I want the red one, the green one, and the blue one. Some of y'all gonna be losing y'all shit. You gonna be buying stuff. I want the red one, the green one, and the blue one, dog. Sir, we don't sell blue. All right, I'll take the white. Hold up for a second. Hey, this Atlanta Custom Wraps. Yeah, hey, look, y'all wrap. Y'all got blue wrap? Bet. Nah, I'll be there next week. Yep. It don't even matter if the shit is white. We wrapping it. It's gonna be blue when I finish. We gonna wrap it. Yes, don't do that, y'all. Don't do that, man. He's like, I'm trying to make this fun for y'all because this is the stage that we're in. I love y'all too, man. You know what I'm saying? I love you, Calvin. No, I love y'all too. Do you understand what I'm trying to get you to, like, for real? These numbers, these numbers get stupid. They get stupid. These numbers get crazy. Somebody said, you are putting me in a good mood. Thank you, brother. No, I'm glad that I am. Let me show y'all something real quick. This is dope. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm serious. I think you'll truly enjoy this. I'm going to show y'all something that most people wouldn't show you. I'm serious. I'm going to show you something most people would not show you. Right? You ready? Let's see if I can make it real for you. Let's go here to December of 2023. December 2023. Somebody said I'm putting them in a good mood. Well, I got you. You're about to be in a really good mood right now. Somebody about to be straight smiling. Straight up. December of 2023. Let me go and show it to you. Hold on. Specifically, December 21st. You ready? Specifically, December 21st. This is going to be fun. Watch. This is December 21st of 2023. Right? Look. December 21st, 4:50 a.m. I was up early that morning. So 2020, I had to screenshot this because people was like, oh my gosh. So December 21st of 2023, the crypto market was sitting at about $1.6 trillion. You see? Is that true? We was roughly sitting at an average of around about $1.6 trillion. December 21st of 2023. Look at the cryptos. I screenshotted this just to let y'all know how crazy this gets. It was December. We was headed toward Christmas. Look. Now watch this. Let's continue to go over here. Watch, pay attention. I was looking at cryptos that I owned, right? I screenshotted them, right? Look at this. Hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. This is one of my smaller portfolios. In 30 days, it put up this type of number to push it up to this. In 30 days. Not even the height of the book. That's not the height that's not the parabolic gains. That was 2023. That was the end of 2023. You haven't even seen the parabolic stuff, and we was looking at stuff like this. You look at your portfolio and you're like, can you imagine talking to your significant other and you're like, hey babe, come check this out for a second. What I don't, you in your office, I ain't do. I'm just come here for a second. and you show you like, look at this. And she like, that's crazy. And you say, like, that's what your portfolios are like? No, I did that in 30 days. What? What? And she was like, well, what did it start off with? Well, it started off small. Well, how small? Well, in 90 days, it did 393,000. In 3 months, it was up 148%, pushed me to $393,000 profit. What? Baby, that's just one of my portfolios. Yeah, you're gonna have to explain that to me. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. You said I'm putting you in a good mood. I screenshotted this stuff so I can remind people. Like, you ain't seen nothing? What are you talking about, man? That's nothing. You haven't seen the real shit yet. Some of y'all looking at that, y'all like, no, that's crazy. No, that's crazy right there, my boy. That's crazy right there. I'm not done, though. I got something else. Tell me if I'm making you feel better about this so you can understand why you need to stop playing around with crypto and stop letting people talk you out of this stuff. Is ridiculous. Let's keep going. We was talking about that Christmas, right? The peep game. Watch this. This is this is what happens when you start doing this. And I had to screenshot this. I was like, oh no, this is getting outrageous. Look. A couple days. Look what's going on in the market, bro. Look at the crypto bubbles. This is happening in one day. This is happening over a week now. No way. This isn't a day. This stuff happens in a day. One day. They saw it. We was buying in December and November, like November, December of 2022. That was 2022. Then January hit of 2023. The market was kind of messed with, then February, it just went crazy. February, March, then it cooled down. Then toward the end of the year, it just went rockets on you again. You're going to see that again this year. But it will be more violent. Why? Because at that particular time when there was no rate cuts. There was no election around the corner. All that was people, getting ready for tax harvested losses, people getting ready for the full court. You didn't even have rate cuts when that happened. I don't think people understand. Oh, you know what else that you didn't have because that was December and January of 2023? You also didn't have institutional money here. There was no Bitcoin ETF. The Bitcoin ETF didn't get approved until January 11th of this year. There was no Bitcoin ETF, no Ethereum ETF when this happened. You're now going to be dealing with institutional money, retail money, an election around the corner, and rate cuts. I don't think you understand what's coming. When my mans was sitting there on Squawk Box and all that, and he was like, everything. I mean, what would you, everything? Well, I mean, but I'm just saying specifically everything, bruh. What is, don't you understand? Everything. Everything. It's going up. It's going to be insane. You got OG coins starting to move. This is how you know we starting to. Oh, well, that's what I want to show y'all too, by the way. Let me go ahead and show y'all this real quick. Do y'all mind? I know y'all don't mind because I know y'all like me giving y'all this information. This is going to be dope, what I'm about to show you. If this right here that I'm about to show you is not one of the dopest pieces of content that you see from me, then, I've been leading you wrong. You ready? Watch. Let me pull it up. This is one of the dopest pieces of content that I'm about to show you. Oh my gosh, this is dope. Woo! Are you ready? Okay. For those that don't have my crypto cheat guide, I'm making fun of you a little bit here. I just a little bit. I'm making fun of you just a little bit. Okay. Now, seriously, because what I'm about to show you is important. So this is not me. I'm not climbing no chimneys. I don't want no real smoke with you. But I am making fun of you a little bit because you're missing information that is it's costing you money. Y'all mind if I do? Listen, lock in what I'm about to show you. This is one of the dopest pieces of information that I can share with you tonight. Original version of this 2 years ago, then I updated it. And so, but I never really changed the core of what I put here. Is that true? Say yes down there and double tap the screen, leave some fire emojis. If I told people about these particular crypto joints before there was, a Terra Luna was in here. And of course that crashed. Look at the yeses down there and the fire emojis. They'll tell you. For those of you who don't listen and you're not listening to me when I tell you 2% meme coins, and I specifically put in here like Dogecoin and Shiba and the stuff like that or whatever, and y'all like, nah, I'm going to go buy Brent and this, that, I got you. And you was laughing at this stuff and I never changed it. Look at Doge and look at Shiba. And look at these are the cryptos in my crypto cheat guide. People that never been in a full cycle, I told you, when the money starts coming back into crypto, these cryptos hold a certain amount of market dominance. For those of you who don't know what that means, let me help you out. If I click on this day chart, did you know that I can actually look at my bubble content by dominance? See, if I click on dominance right here, this literally tells me this. Shiba Inu holds 0.53% of all the dominance of the crypto market cap, which is over $2 trillion. Okay? Bitcoin, 55% is controlled by Bitcoin, right? Do you understand what I am showing you? When I pick these cryptos for you and I put them in this ebook, I didn't guess this shit. I understand crypto. These things, when money comes flying into the crypto, A lot of these cryptos are going to be making money because they hold a significant amount of dominance. See, I'm looking at day by dominance now. So when you go back here and you look at performance, this is all y'all looking at. But look at the performance. That's for the day. This is for the week. Shiba Inu is up 50% for the week. Doge is up 20% for the week. For the month, Shiba is up 54%. Doge is up 27%. And the rest of these altcoins are kicking people's teeth in because they hold dominance. This ebook is no joke. Yeah, well, I'm just going to buy this and I'm going to buy that. And I'm like, did you read the ebook though, my boy? When I was talking to you about balance and diversification, you thought that I just put some generic ass cryptos in my ebook? What's wrong with you? Now you got people scrambling, trying to go buy these cryptos. They've been in the ebook for 2 years. Now y'all see Shiba Inu move 50% on you in a day or a week, and you're like, oh my God. And I'm like, oh, this is just the beginning. Do you know what it means to move 50% up? I don't think you understand. No. I'm going to make you understand this. People they don't have a calculator and they're not bringing their calculator out, so I got to help them out. Didn't I tell you that this was going to be legit information? Let me flip my camera out and explain it to you. You don't understand. Shiba Inu's market cap is $12.584 billion, and it is up 50% in 1 week. No. Let me explain something to you. Hold up. 12,587. Look, hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, $12.5 billion, right? Minus, look, 53.36. Look, minus 50.36%. Shiba Inu put $6 billion into a market cap in 1 week. It's the 12th largest crypto on the blockchain. What part of this don't people understand? It's comical. It's pure comedy to me when I explain this to people. Now they trying to play catch up. Why didn't you buy Shiba Inu when it was down? It's been in the ebook for 2 years. Now that it put $6 billion on the table, y'all like, ooh. That's just the beginning. Trillions of dollars is going to come into this crypto market. And I'm telling you to your face, Shiba, Doge, and all the rest of those cryptos I list in my ebook, they are going to garner a significant amount of that capital. You think Cardano is just sitting around here as the 10th largest asset for nothing? That's not how this works. People who understand what that crypto is, they are going to buy it. They are holding it. It is going to go up. Number go up. I'm just looking at this. It's crazy. Hey, the rest of my OGs on here. These cryptos aren't in my crypto cheat guide. Yes, they are. 100%. And this is what they have done in the last 30 days. You're talking about cryptos that's up 20 to 50%. Ooh, that's way bigger than the rest of these other cryptos because I'm showing you the numbers. Nah. You need to understand. Pull your calculator out. Dogecoin's market cap is $16.7 billion. It's up 27% though, which means it put in billions. When you start seeing these top tier joints right here do these type of numbers, they are adding billions of dollars to their market cap. These things are huge. 6 billion in a week? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, but I'm not done. I'm These lives will change your life. Look, these lives will change your lives. Look at me. These lives will change your lives. I'm not done. That wasn't even the big piece of information that I said I was giving you. Oh, y'all thought that was it. That wasn't even it. Wait, what? Wait, what? Bro, you got something else? Of course. Of course I got something else. What are you talking about? Yeah, of course. That wasn't it. This is what I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted to show you. Look. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. Look at this on my timeline, on my backup account. 5 days ago. Those who follow me know exactly what this means.
Oh, that's what if I'm already chosen.
Altcoin season.
I got the we had to check if it's broken.
Right, so what was I showing you? Look at where we are right now. No. Look, pay attention. Look. We were sitting at 25. Right? We sitting at 25. And down here, the altcoin indicator was sitting at 20. Look at where it is right now. No. Hey, look where your altcoin indicator is. Altcoin season is when we hit 75. The money that you're seeing right now, that's not even altcoin season. We're just starting to start. This is just cooking up. You haven't even seen altcoin season. This is still not, it's still Bitcoin season. Look. It's not altcoin season. It's still Bitcoin season. This is just starting to, oh my God. Somebody say, nah, bruh. Oh no, sir. Yeah. But I'm not done. Calvin, you got something else? Yeah. Pay attention. This is about to be a trip. Wait, whoa, you got two of those. Yeah, I do. This is the live one. Today's the 27th. This is the one that's live right now. This is a screenshot from September the 22nd. 5 days ago. 5 days ago. Pay attention. Bitcoin, when Bitcoin is getting beat, these are your top 50 performance over the last 90 days. When Bitcoin starts pushing back here and these altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, it becomes altcoin season. Right now, Bitcoin is outperforming still all of these coins that's behind it. Everything here is outperforming Bitcoin. Now wait, I see something that you guys don't see, so let me help you out. When I screenshotted this 5 days ago, ICP or Internet Computer was right here. Bitcoin was outperforming ICP. Let's look at where ICP is today. It's right here. ICP is outperforming Bitcoin. It ain't even close. 5 days ago, ICP was getting beat by Bitcoin. Look where ICP is now. I don't think you guys understand what I am saying to you. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that you understand. When you start looking at the stuff over here, right, and you start looking at this stuff, you say, wait a minute, hold on. I'm seeing stuff like, like Cardano was way back here 5 days ago. Bitcoin was beating it by 10.5%. Look. Cardano is like, I'm coming for you, Bitcoin. Look what Cardano is now. I'm coming for you. VeChain was being beat by 9%. Look at VeChain. It is quickly becoming altcoin season. When you start looking at this stuff right here and you start looking and saying, oh my gosh, this is crazy, bruh. You see everything here that Bitcoin was beating. Now you look over here and you're like, oh no. Oh my God. Oh. Look at Shiba Inu. Look, Shiba Inu was way back here 5 days ago. Bitcoin was beating Shiba Inu by 17%. Look at SHIB. You see it? Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. This is where's Shiba Inu out now? Look where Shiba is now. Where you at, Shiba Inu? Look at Shiba Inu now. Altcoin season is coming. It's on the way. Some of y'all looking at it now, you're like, oh my God. I told you though. I keep trying to tell y'all, man. You're in the right place. I look at everything. When I'm telling you it's altcoin season and you see me getting hyped up and I'm giving you rockets and shit, like, you think I'm doing that because I'm just some guy who just want to hype you up just to be hyping you up? No, I got better things to do. I'm trying to get you to be in position. I'm looking at everything and I'm like, oh no. Whoa. Oh no. Whoa. Hey, look, if you just look at this side by side, without even looking at let me pull back, without even looking at the assets, can you quickly see that these are getting much larger than what they was over here? Yes. Can you see that these are getting much smaller than what they was over there? These are catching up to Bitcoin. They are going to surpass Bitcoin. It will be absolute pandemonium. It will be altcoin season. Your top 50 assets are going to start outperforming Bitcoin. If you don't have my crypto cheat guide, you're not following me on my live and stuff like that, you will leave and you have already lost and left crazy ass money on the table. This is only facts. I'm looking right at it. This is only facts. See? Thank you for the lightning and what else? What is that? A little bear, right? Roses, all of that. All of that. Bianca, thank you. Thank you, Venus. Right? Polian, right? Yeah. Joe, this is crazy information. AJ, the Crypto Cowboy even came back. Did y'all see him? The Crypto Cowboy hadn't did any content in 2 years. He came through the door the other day. I was like, but Crypto, where you been? Did y'all? I was like, bro, where you been? Yeah, this do you know it's popping when the Crypto Cowboy come back? Those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm finna go ahead and do it right. I got to. Will y'all let the Crypto Cowboy come back?
Ooh, bullhorns. I'm ready to wrestle up some more of that crypto.
Crypto Cowboy, where you been, bro?
I've been following you, buddy. I heard you when you said we was gonna hit that $65,000 Bitcoin.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy. I put it on my TikTok timeline. I told everybody.
Oh, shit. Some people were saying $50,000, $40,000 Bitcoin, but not you.
Hell no. If anything, they better buckle up for $70,000 Bitcoin.
God damn, boy, $70,000 Bitcoin. You're trying to send me to crypto heaven?
Nah, I'm just trying to get you prepared for that parabolic bull run going into 2025.
Shit.
Hold up, you been making some money, my boy. Are those ostrich boots?
Yeah, I've been making a killing with your crypto information.
Oh, you definitely been making some money.
Shit, I'm ready to ride that damn Bitcoin bull, buddy, and don't you forget it.
Yeah, I guess he got it like that. Yeah, I guess he got it like that. Crypto Cowboy. Vest, I was like, this. You definitely been making some money, Crypto Cowboy. Ostrich boots and John Dutton vest around this bitch. Yo, it's up. Yo, yeah. Have y'all seen Yellowstone? This dude came through. He was the definition of walking Yellowstone. Came through the door. I heard you when you said Bitcoin was going to 65,000. Yeah, I told everybody. He's like, yeah, I heard you. Ostrich boots. You got to be kidding me, boy. Y'all, the Crypto Cowboy is back. You know it's up. What y'all playing? Man, listen. This is the stuff we've been waiting for. This, like, for real. Even right now, if the market just pulls back, just been making over the last 10 days and stuff like that, it's still all good. We're over the pivot lines. We're creating higher highs and stuff like that. I'm just trying to get you prepared for the end of the year. Don't be short-sighted on this, is what I'm trying to say. Don't sit around and be, sour face for what happens in like the next week or next 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever. Forget that. Focus on what I've been showing you what happens at the end of the years. Right? Let's go here and look at this. Now this is something else I want to show y'all. This is crazy. Somebody say data. Data is something else. And I'm not talking about Data with the glasses on from Star Trek or whatever, even though he was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's wrong with you today. Oh, man. You know what I'm saying? You got Data. What's the other dude name, man? George LaForge. You know what I'm saying? With them glasses on. You know what I'm saying? Listen. Data. Check this out. Peep game. Look, I'm telling you, I can see this. I can see this straight up. George will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Calvin, what are you counting? The years that we have been tracking Bitcoin's monthly returns by percentage. Do it again for me, Calvin. I didn't see it. Got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 years of data for Bitcoin's monthly returns by percentage. We know exactly what Bitcoin does in January. January, it's all right. February, though, yes. March, April, yes. May, look, this is what's called sell in May and go away. May, June, this is why y'all was so bored. May, June, y'all was all summer vacation and stuff like that. Crypto wasn't doing much. Sell in May and go, these are rhyming stuff. Sell in May and go away, right? July, things heat up. Look, you can see that July, things heat up. August, people getting prepared to go back to school with their kids and stuff. Nobody's in the market. So August and September is normally whack, right? But look what happens at the end of the year. Look at what we call Uptober or Rocktober. Not October, but Rocktober or Uptober. Do you see anything special here that happens literally in the next couple of days? Do you see anything that starts happening in the month of October? Do you see anything? What about November? Do you see anything that impresses you? Right. You are going to see fireworks. For those of you who also like data, let me explain something else to you. Whenever you see September do well, hey, listen, I don't have a crystal ball, but let's all see if we can agree on something. Whenever we have a positive month in September, history shows us that October, November, and December also are going to be crazy. September, 3 months after that. Bad September, right? You get 3 months here. Okay. Bad September. No. Bad September. No. Bad September. Pretty good. Bad September. No. Bad September. Good September. 3 months. Look what's going on right here. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but if you're a data type of person, doesn't the probability say that having a positive September is going to give you also 3 months behind it? I have the data right here for the last 14 years. Now, I don't have a crystal ball, but if that happens and we have 3 green ass months following this one, whoa, whoa. 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 Everything. Everything. Now, here's what's crazy about this. You're going to have to decide if you are a optimistic or pessimistic individual. Listen, you are going to have to decide if you are an optimistic or pessimistic individual. The data says that positive Septembers, you're going to get 3 positive months after that. I'm just going to make it known. If that shit happens, I can already see it. I can see y'all right now wilding out. 3 fried turkeys at Thanksgiving. You hosting the Christmas party. You know what I'm saying? The New Year's party is at your house. I already see it. Don't stop. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Y'all tearing Black Friday, Cyber Monday up. It's too much, y'all. Too much money for y'all. It's too much. Yeah, 3 fried turkeys. 3 fried turkeys. Yeah, we got the Cajun, we got the lemon pepper junk, and then, and we got this one. This is the mix. This is called the Dirty Bird right here. This has got the Cajun and the lemon pepper at the same time, so we call that the Dirty Bird. So we got 3 of them. I know, bro. I know. just money all over. I got it. Dirty Bird. Yeah, okay. All right. I'm just trying to show y'all the data. This can get real out of control. These numbers that you're looking at now, those aren't even big numbers. This can get out of control. This can get outrageous. This can get out freaking rageous. I'm serious. Nah, this could get real stupid. Whoa. This could get real stupid. Hey, can we look at something else real quick? Since I'm looking at data. Is it okay if we look at something else? These lives will change your lives. Flip them around. Hey, 2017 is a bull market, yeah? 2013 was a bull market high. Look, a crypto market cycle lasts roughly 4 years. Year 1 is a bear market, accumulation, Bitcoin halving cycle, parabolic run for the bull market. Everything is in a bull market from the bottom of the bear. So this is all bull market, but this is the parabolic phase. So this was parabolic, 2013. Look, keep up with the dates. 2013, parabolic. 2017, parabolic. 2021, parabolic. And then 2025, right? It's parabolic, right? Let me show you something. 2013. October. 2013. Hey. October 2013. November. I'm not done. This is 2017. 2017. Look. 2017. Look. October 2017. November. That was 2017. Let's look at 2021. 2021. October 2021. Those were your bull market parabolics. We're in 2024. Look, we're going in here to 2024, and I'm telling you, you're going to be looking at crazy numbers. But Calvin, what about the numbers before that 2013 or that 2017 or whatever? I'm so glad you asked. That's the bull market high. There's 2016. Then this was the following year, right? This is 2021. Here's 2020. There's 2020. There's 2021. Is that true? I can't see 2012 because we wasn't tracking that for 2012. But there's 2016. There's 20. 17. These numbers are tracked, guys. Thinking that we're not going to do well in 2024 in October and something like that in 2025, I don't think you understand how this works. The parabolic part happens in 2025. You're getting ready to experience the year before the parabolic stuff. It's still crazy. Yep. Is everyone paying attention? You want to know why we're excited. Now, every last one of those gains that you see there, and I want to say this to you, and I know my brother being noble knows, none of those years had Wall Street. Not one. Sean. Hey, Sean. None of them. Remember, Wall Street is here now. There's a Bitcoin ETF. Everything that you saw there was because of retailers, people like you and I investing in crypto with our small, limited amount of capital and funds. We were still able to push those numbers up, crazy ass numbers. We're going to be doing that. And you also have the money that's behind Wall Street now. There's a Bitcoin ETF, is there not? Wall Street is not buying billions of dollars of Bitcoin now. Let me see if that's true. So, look, I want to make sure everybody understands this. Pay attention. This is only real information. BTC ETF launch date. This is public knowledge. This is it launched ETF January the 10th. Bitcoin's ETF or exchange traded fund was approved on the 10th and went live on the 11th. That means it went live at the beginning of this year. Here's what you need to understand about that. These are the companies that was approved, right, to buy and hold that ETF, that Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock now holds $24 billion worth of Bitcoin now since January. Grayscale, which already had money, they still hold 14 billion. Fidelity now holds 13 billion. 21 Shares, which is ARK Invest, 3 billion. Bitwise, 3 billion. Grayscale Mini, Van Eck is holding $780 million. These companies, this thing went live January of this year. They are controlling billions of dollars, and we haven't even got to the parabolic stuff yet. What do you think your portfolio is going to look like when retail starts coming back into this market strong and we have the added support of Wall Street and their billions of dollars? Do you think Bitcoin goes up or down? If Bitcoin controls 50% of the entire market, Bitcoin going up does what to your altcoins? Up. It's going to be insane. And I'm trying to explain this to you on the front end because when it starts happening, which is already starting to heat up now, but once it starts happening, I can't save you. My lives are going to be like, I don't even know how I'm going to run my lives. I'm pretty much just going to have to come on here and say, yeah, we're making a lot of money. Show a couple people some charts and be like, yeah, this one is up 100%. Like, what is it for me to say when I come on the live and stuff is going up 20, 30, 40, 50% a day? What the hell you want me to say to you? I can't save you at that point. Anything you buy is expensive. Listen, I'm really trying to make it real. I'm really trying to make it real. See if this makes sense to you. Anything that you wasn't buying today in the top 100 cryptos is up anywhere between 5 and 15% today. If you waited a week and you are a week late, shit is 50% more expensive. So between 20 and 50% more expensive. You're looking directly at the numbers. This is not make believe. If you have waited 10 days, because it's only been 10 days since September 18th in the rate cut, some of this stuff is up 100+%. It is 100% more expensive. When this really starts going crazy, how can I say? I won't be able to save you. Everything you buy is going to be fucking expensive. Yeah. That's just, I can't make it more real than that, right? Somebody said, well, you could talk to us about an exit plan. You know what? That's a very intelligent comment. No, that's intelligent. That's why I like this community. It's some smart people in this community. I wasn't even thinking. Maybe if I would have got off the live, it would have hit me and I'd be like, well, I can't help him with an exit plan type of stuff or whatever, exit strategy type of stuff. So this is a very smart individual. And I am celebrating that comment for sure. That is a great point. Yeah, I could come on here and I can start talking to y'all about exit strategies. I can start showing y'all the chart saying, hey, we're getting a little bit heated here. It's time to start taking some money off the table, 10, 20, 30% here or whatever, you know, saving some for what we call moon bags. I'll start teaching y'all moon bag strategy stuff. You know, that is a strategy, by the way. If you don't, because everybody who's getting money, if they don't have an exit strategy, they'll end up giving their gains back to the market. This happens all the time. So that is a very, very powerful comment. Extremely powerful. Thank you for leaving it, by the way, too, for sure. So yeah, because if you don't know how to exit, then you won't leave here with your gains. You won't leave here with your gains. So great comment. That will be the focus. Because I won't be sitting here talking to y'all about getting money. It's like, well, no, we've been getting money. I shut this up since 2022, 2023. My ebook tells you that whole thing. So yeah, that's right. Damn, that was a great comment right there. I love it. All right, so that's that, man. Y'all already know we're preparing. We have prepared and we're still preparing, but it is getting. I'm telling y'all right now, it's getting late. Let me show you something. Remember, I'm here to coach you through this stuff and to get you in a place to where I feel like you understand. You're like, yeah, I think it's, yeah. Okay, let me show you something. I'm like, seriously, when I show you this is powerful, what I'm about to show you. And let me get on a blank chart here. Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, peep game. This is the last thing I'll show for tonight. Trust me. This is one I won't need to show you anything after this. All right, so we know that these things are waking up. Top 100 cryptos for the last, this says 30 days, but it's only been 10 days. But we still have to put a month there. It's only been 10 days that these things have done this, not even 30. All right, and so for the week, they look like this. Okay, so if I come over here and I look at Bitcoin, understand this. Bitcoin is crossing up over here on the daily chart, which means this is getting very bullish. And you know that I take this serious because you can clearly see here that I have an entry point here for Bitcoin. I have a considerable amount of money here. Now, I already own a bunch of Bitcoins that I bought in 2022. It sits on a ledger and all of this. This is a perpetual trade. This is a perpetual contract. I'm just making money on Bitcoin through paper version. All right. But why am I explaining this to you? Because on the daily chart, you can clearly see that we're pushing up. This was completely oversold. And we're starting to push up here. But watch what happens here. When I take this and I click on weekly, this is a different ball game. Understand this. Bitcoin went bullish back here. If you don't think this is serious business, what I'm showing you, understand. This is way back here in 2020. Bitcoin literally starts running up right here. When you see this cross here, I'm on a weekly chart now. So this is way macro. This is telling you, no, we are in an extreme bear market. There's the kink right there, by the way, for those of you who understand my kinks. So November of 2021, this is Bitcoin topping out at $69,000. And there's the kink. This comes slamming down on you, letting you know, no, the market is literally, it's time to get out for sure. This crosses over and you are in. This yellow ribbon stays under there. Look, January 2023, even though we was making money and doing all of that, this is still a weak market. Look, we're all the way into March and you're still just now starting to try to get bullish. This is consolidation. This is in my ebook that 2023 is the consolidation or the accumulation year. So you can see the ribbons are just tied up. It's just moving sideways. This is really not bullish. But then you get to this stage right here. This is September, right, of 2023. You get a extreme cross right here. We are in a very big ass bull market right now. You're literally getting this pushback over this moving average. This is going to come crashing up here and you are going to see extreme gains. If you think that's something, let me also explain it to you here. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin on the Gaussian channel. For those of you who've been following that, let me explain something to you. Whenever this channel turns green, right, and Bitcoin is above it, you are going to experience extreme amounts of wealth for Bitcoin and your altcoin positions. And if you don't believe that, all you got to do is go here and look at October 2023 and go back to this and go back to the daily and you will see here very quickly. Let me move this out the way so you can see it. Look right here. When do you see this get super aggressive? October. You see the yellow ribbon crossing over there? This thing gets extremely aggressive. It gets aggressive there and it gets aggressive on this Gaussian channel. But Calvin, this channel is still red right now. I know. We're looking at the daily chart. Watch me show you two things that are literally going to keep you up tonight. If you click over here to the 12-hour chart, this has already flipped green. Bitcoin is above it. It is flipped green. This is going to be rockets. It is not going to be long before this flips green on the daily chart. We are above this. We are above the moving average. This channel is going to flip green on you. For those of you who are waiting for that shit to happen, you are late. 12-hour chart. Now, if I go here and I look at the 12-hour chart right here, that means that I should already see this ribbon crossed. Oh, there it is. Yellow ribbon crossing over the blue ribbon on the 12-hour chart. Bitcoin is already super bullish. I can see it here. And I can see it here. But watch this. Going back to this and clicking on that weekly, we have been bullish since way back here, right? Shouldn't that read the same way over here on the Gaussian channel? If I click on the weekly chart, oh my God. Yeah, that part. See, it's right over here. There's July. Look, there's July. You're inside the channel. Here's October when you get out the channel. October, you got out of the channel. This thing has been going absolutely apeshit. You are in a bull market. Even when it pulled back here, and I'm not even going to hold you, from us pulling back from this high right here, pulling all the way down, you never fell back into that channel. Over a 7-month period, you never fell back into this channel. We are bounced off of this channel right here, which was $52,000, and we are back up. You are in a bull market. That's dope. Oh my gosh, that data is dope. Yo, you understand what I'm saying to you? People out here talking to you about, oh, bear market and bear this. What are you talking? Like, do you understand crypto? I understand it. I know. I read these charts. Woo! Tell me that ain't crazy. See, I never even showed this to my my other channel. People gonna be like, hey, I heard you show something on your OG channel. Show me that. I gotta show you that again. Show me that. I gotta show you that again. This doesn't cross lightly. We're not talking about small little intervals. The weekly chart is massive. This is your cross in October. This is a bull market. Even when you came crashing down, you never fell below this ribbon. This is the 20 EMA. On the weekly, you never fell and closed candles below the 20 EMA. That is bullish. And here on the weekly, you came crashing down. You never even got inside of this channel. Getting inside of this channel means you are getting ready to go into a bear market. It will be bad for you. No, denied. Somebody's helped me out. You came down here, bears, you tried it. Denied. You tried it again. Denied. This is a bull market, my boy. You ain't that strong, bear, says the person who's wearing Don't Poke Bear. This is a bull market. You tried it. Denied. This is a bull market, cuz. I told you in my ebook, I'm telling you live, and I'm showing you the charts. This is a bull market. Period. Period. You are getting ready to see fireworks. Nah, let me keep on going and showing it to you. If this was Bitcoin coming up here, look, we crossed up here and this thing went crazy. Bitcoin put in a $73,000 high right here. But pay attention. From there, down here, this is all lows. Right? Right? Look, this is a high. This is a lower high. This is a lower high. This is a lower high. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lower high. You like Calvin, but this high right here is lower than this too. But here's what you're forgetting. This was the last high. This is now a higher high. Let me explain it to you. When you go down up here, this is 73,000, right? When this comes crashing down, when you rally back up, this never beat this high. That's a lower high. That means the market is moving down, right? When it crashed down here and it ran back up, it never beat this high. You're still crashing down. When this crashed down here and it ran back up, this never beat this high. You're still going down. When this crashed down here and it ran back up, this never beat this high. You're still going down. When we crashed down here, oh shit, this high beat this high. This is a higher high. We're going up now. This is an uptrend. This is no longer a downtrend. We're in an uptrend now. This is only facts, what I'm talking to you about. And that's a weekly chart. That's not no daily chart. That ain't no 4 hour, no 2 hour. That is a weekly chart. You have created a higher high on the weekly chart. Boom. Somebody say, that's all facts, no printer. Put your seatbelt on. The market tried to shake you out for over 7 months. I know I gotta celebrate y'all real quick before I get off this live, because I'm only putting this battery in y'all back. I'm celebrating you for a second. For those of you who has stuck it out over the last 7 months, 6-7 months, man, congratulations. The market tried to beat you up. Oh, it tried to get you out. They tried to get you to capitulate, sell your crypto, say the hell with this shit. This don't work. Man, being noble and everybody, man, congratulations, man. Y'all held on. That means, look, you had to, first of all, you had to have some trust in me. I've been here with you and explaining this stuff to you. Hey, man, hey, just calm down. This is fine. This is what that you had to believe in yourself, and you also had to believe in me. So we worked together on this. This is something we did together. Congratulations. You still here. Oh man, it is gonna be so worth it for you. Oh my gosh. Nah, bruh. Nah, this is gonna be that people not understanding. Let me show you something else. Look, I'm looking at this and I don't think people don't get it. Not only this, look, that's high, lower highs, and you already know that this is a higher high, but look down here. Look, this is a low, right? We ran up right here, and this created a lower low. You're going down. We ran up right here, and you created a lower low. This low is lower than that low. You're going down. You ran up here. This low is lower than that low. Lower highs and lower lows, you're going down. But wait a minute. You ran up here, and this time, the brakes. This is not lower than this. This is a higher low, and this is a higher high. You are somebody say, we go up now. This low is higher than this low. This high is higher than that high. We go up. Period. End of the. If you understand chart, that's. We had enough of this shit. That's why you see people on YouTube going nuts right now. That's why you see people on TikTok going nuts right now. That's why you see people on Twitter, on X, going nuts right now. I'm just showing you on the charts so you can have the understanding. Because when they tweet something to you, they're not live. They're not showing you the charts. So you can, like, why is everybody hyped? Because I want to be hyped too, but I just can't be hyped because another grown man hype. I don't get hyped because a grown man hype. Some of the ladies out here, I mean, she hype, but I ain't getting hyped because she hype. I mean, I'm a grown ass woman, right? I'm showing you on the charts why now. Now you can legitimately be like, okay, now I'm hyped. Because now I can see it. I get it. I understand what's going on now. After 7 damn months, we are now creating a higher high and a lower high. A higher low. I got it. Higher high, higher low shit. We good. That's right. That's right. This is the type of stuff that I want to explain to y'all. So when y'all see it, you like, I get it now. Now I get it. This is, yeah, that's crazy. Right? That's the entire crypto market. Watch this. This is finna be stupid. No. I don't think you understand. You don't. Can I double down on that information? Please allow me to double down. Before I get off the live, are y'all sleepy? Because I got you. I do one thing and then I'll let y'all go. I ain't gonna hold you. Can I double down on that? Okay. It's one thing for me to show you that on Bitcoin. That gets you semi-hype. Here's where you get super hype. Watch this. This Gaussian channel is not just tracking Bitcoin. It can also track the entire total crypto market cap. Here's your total crypto market cap. Ooh, oh my gosh. Let me help you out. You already see it, don't you? If this channel turns green and the entire crypto market is above it, you are going to melt faces with gains. If this channel ever flips red and the market is down below it, you guessed it, you're going to go crashing down. And let me be more specific. If you can find support on the top side of this line, which is a pivot line here, right? If you find support on top of it, you will rally up. But if you lose this support, it becomes resistance. You come crashing down. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You got past it. You tried to find support here, rallied up, right? Came back to find support, lost support, rejection, crash. Rejection, crash. Anywhere you see where we are on the top side of this finding support, you will rally up. Well, guess what? Look at this. This time we rallied up. Instead of getting rejected to crash down, we actually flew past this, found support on the top side, and we're off to the races. This is the entire crypto market space. Somebody say, oh my gosh. But I'm not done. Did you also know that on the 12-hour chart, that the entire crypto market space is already bullish? This channel is already green. We are above it. Look, rejection, rejection, rejection. We got past it here. Boom, found support. We got past it here. Boom. 12-hour chart pushes into the higher time frame of the daily. This is going to get dumb on you. But let's go here. Wait, weekly. Oh my gosh. No, sir, Calvin, you better not do it. I am. This is your entire crypto market on the weekly chart. The entire crypto market went bullish in September of 2023. You see it with your own eyes. Here you are getting rejections. Rejection, 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 rejection. Boom. There's your breakthrough. This channel turns green. Boom. Look, that support on the top side of this rally. The bears tried to push the entire crypto market down. It wicked down here and quickly ran all the way back up here to close this candle outside of this. This wicked us down inside of it, and this closed right here, and the bulls was like, you gotta be shitting me. The bulls pushed us right back up to close this candle right here. The next candle opened up with support. We are not going inside of this. This is a bull market. Somebody say, got it. That's a high. That's a lower high. That's a lower high. That's a lower high. Wait a minute. That's a higher high. Somebody say, higher highs going up. Okay. This is a low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Wait a minute. This is higher than that. We're now creating a higher high and a higher low. The entire crypto market space is going up. That's why you get hype. You don't just get hype because somebody tweeted some shit about $70,000 Bitcoin or whatever. Explain to me, sir, why. Now you have the explanation. Don't even let nobody tell you anything different. You can literally just come back here to me and I'll say, we're not in the Gaussian channel on the Bitcoin or the crypto market. This is a bull market. That's right. The money printer go. Now, since I gave y'all that information, you now have a renewed mindset about what's happening out here. You know why these crypto bubbles are green. Even if they pull back a little bit and people take some profits off the don't think people are not going to take profits. I mean, these things have gone up 40 and 50 and 100% in a week. It's okay for some people to take some profits if they want to do that. I can stop it. Just get over that, please. If the market turns and you're like, oh man, the market, we back down or whatever. Not like how you think. It's just people taking some profits, but overall, on the macro, this thing is still very much extremely bullish. So don't get all frustrated if you see these bubbles start turning a little red. People are just taking some profits. That's all. Okay? Now, for those of you who want to learn the basics of crypto, not charting, not day trading and all of that stuff, that's for pros. I'm going to be honest with you. And I have a crypto mini course that's coming out that will teach you that. You will be better understandings to go to the next level. Here's where you can do that or not. It's up to you. I wrote an entire ebook, Crypto Cheat Guide. The next is called the Crypto Cheat Guide. It is literally cheat guide. Go here to get it. Powerofpublish.co. Powerofpublish.co. Somebody said that's a super awesome. That I'm giving to you is all free. You're not required to buy anything from me to utilize this information and go take care of yourself, your families, and your community. Build a pillar in your community. You don't have to buy anything from me. This is only for people that said, brother, you've given me more information and more understanding about crypto in 30 minutes or however long you've been on here than I've been knowing for a whole year. That is for those people that appreciate that type of information. They want to get the rest, right? Level themselves up so they can get ready for this. You have zero time to mess around. If you was going to mess around with crypto, you should have did it while it was crashing down over the last 6-7 months. It's game on now. This is not for the weak-minded people. These things have already started moving up 40 and 50, 100% in a week. So you better put your damn seatbelt on. Vivian put the link down there, guys. So did High Vibes. Like a couple people putting the link down there so y'all can grab the ebook. They have it. They already know that it's real information. I utilize that information in my ebook on my lives all the time. That means it has real utilitarian value. That means I can use what I put in that ebook to even, direct people inside of a real life. It's that special. It's that special. So grab that and have it. You'll put it on your mobile devices. You can have it, with you right now. Somebody said get his cheat guides too. Awesome. And the spreadsheet. Yeah, the cheat guides will show you how to take profits when it comes to your crypto. It's one of the biggest things that people mess up. They're in profit and they think it's just going to keep going up and up and up forever and ever and ever. And if you don't decide what type of investor you are, you give your gains back to the market. Some of y'all have already experienced that and it doesn't feel good. And I understand you got a longer strategy, but it still doesn't feel good. Looking at unrealized losses does not feel good. I don't care who you are. If you're just someone beginning, it stings because you don't have a lot of money. And so when you see it down 20, 30, 40%, it stings. Well, for those of you who don't have a lot of money and you think it's easier for people like me, it's not easier. Because being down 20 or 30 or 40% is hundreds of thousands of dollars. It stings even worse for us. Unrealized losses doesn't feel good for anybody. I don't care what level you are on. I don't care what level you on. That shit don't feel good at all. He's like, oh. Right? So this is how you gotta have a strong mental space when you're doing this stuff, and you gotta have a clear understanding of who you are, what type of investor you are, what kind of exit strategy you have. I'm taking some lifestyle chips off the table here or there. You got to have a plan. And somebody said it earlier when I say when this stuff starts picking up, and I don't have nothing to talk to y'all about because we just making too much money. They said talk to us about building exit plans and exit strategies, and that was a very, very good comment. So we'll have to focus on that because it'll be too much money. I won't have to be trying to tell people that money and being made in crypto. I'll turn my damn camera around and they can see these damn things up hundreds of percent. They know. All right. Somebody said straight up. All right. So here's how I end my lives. I hope you enjoyed it. Understand this. I tell people this all the time. When you spend your time with me, that is your most valuable asset. It is not your money. If you invest in my crypto cheat guide or my affiliate marketing ebook or something like that, that's not your most valuable asset. You think it's your fiat currency. It's not. It's your time. Your time is the most valuable thing that you have. And if you're spending that with me, I take that extremely serious because I have to give you some type of return on your investment. Otherwise, I've wasted your most valuable asset. We only get a certain amount of time on this earth. We only get a certain amount of time per day. And if you're not allocating your time in a place and in a manner where it actually allows you to thrive, then people are wasting that. And I don't like wasting people's time. It's too valuable. So thank you for spending your time with me. Hopefully, I've given you some type of ROI, some type of return on your investment. I've given you something that you can utilize immediately, real utilitarian value. Thank you for allowing me to do that. If I didn't spark you in some type of way or give you some type of information to look at this different, I apologize to you that I wasn't able to deliver. See, I'm big enough to say that. I apologize that I wasn't able to hit the mark that you needed to actually move. But I'm not giving you an excuse either. If this is your first and last time seeing me, I charge you with the responsibility to find someone else you know, like, and trust that can get you to the next level. It doesn't have to be me. But you don't get a pass either. You absolutely do not. You have to find someone else that you know, like, and trust that can get you to the next level. I'm serious. Don't play. This is not a game. Stop being jejune. Listen to my choice of my words. Stop being childish. Don't be jejune at this particular point of this live. You have to find someone to get you to the next level if it's not me. Okay? That's just real talk. For those of you who believe in, giving someone ample opportunities to build some type of relationship with you, that's normally how things work. You have to actually build some type of relationship with people. Why don't you come on back? Come on back to the lives and see if I'm consistent. Listen to my choice of words. Not perfect. I'll fumble my words around or something like that or whatever. Consistent. If you like this information, come back and see if it's consistent. See if the information that I'm dropping inside of this community is not consistently getting people out of their way to build financial freedom. If you see consistency there, then reevaluate me to see if you want to do business then. See, that's a fair thing. That's fair. That's fair. All right. Somebody said, you out here changing lives. I agree. But that only matters to the people that are moving with the information. If I can't break through the walls that other people have, then I can't change their lives. I have to get through that wall first. And we're talking about something that's new. This is still fairly new. Bitcoin is what, 14, 15 years old? This is still a new thing. Most people are really starting to get really serious about crypto and the blockchain within the last couple months or last year or something like that. This is still very, very new to them. And so I have some work to do. And I know that. So I don't press people a lot. I still know I have a lot of work to do. This is not mainstream yet like that. People will always fight you when something is new. The internet, smartphones, right? Right. Airbnbs, Ubers, anything that's very, very innovative that is literally shaking up the market space, disrupting the market, you're going to get pushed back. You got some work to do. And I don't mind being a pioneer out here. I really don't. I don't mind. And when I'm saying a pioneer, I'm not like pioneers like the people that was actually building this stuff up and mining Bitcoin on computers back in the day. But I'm helping pioneer this information and break through people's, mindsets about what this is. I don't mind doing that. Some of y'all are going to be millionaires. I won't even get an opportunity to celebrate it with you. There's people that celebrate that with me now because they've been with me 2022. So I get a chance to celebrate that with them. They're on here sometimes. But some of y'all will go off and you'll be multimillionaires in crypto and I won't even get a chance to celebrate it with you. That's okay. I'm okay with that. All right. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the live, right? Every one of you are kings and queens on this live. All of you. Fellas, let's lock eyes here for a second. I love you, man. You are a king, brother. I celebrate you. Your dreams, your goals, your aspirations that you are going after and you're slowly achieving or fastly achieving them. I celebrate you, brother. You got somebody out here, your entrepreneurial brother, I'm rocking with you. Ladies, you're all queens. You got an entrepreneurial brother out here in a kingly manner celebrating you, celebrating your life, your wins, celebrating your losses. Wait a minute, ain't that an oxymoron, celebrating your losses? No. I know what I said. I said celebrating your losses. You need someone to celebrate your losses as long as you are learning something. So I celebrate your losses too. Do you have someone else to celebrate your losses? Or you guys will be, I told you. Do you have someone else to celebrate your losses? Or you guys will be, I told you. Didn't I tell you that? Didn't I tell you not to marry him? I celebrate those type of losses. No matter how detrimental they may seem. I celebrate them. As long as you learn a lesson. I'm just keeping it real with you. All right? Because you need somebody to keep it real with you. Some of your family members and your closest friends and stuff like that, your frat brothers and your sorority sisters, hey, scared. They're not going to tell you. They're not going to do it. So I got to tell you. You are not going to be perfect. I'm sorry. You are going to F some stuff up. I will celebrate those losses with you. I'm just looking for you to be consistently good, right? I don't need you to be perfect at all. You don't get a pass for being perfect around me because I'm going to be looking at you like, you're not perfect. You're sorry. Stop it. You're going to make mistakes. I'm perfect. No, you're not. You know you're not. Okay, that's all I will say there. It's 11:42. Maybe I go live tomorrow. Maybe I don't. Not really sure. But understand this. if you are following me or you're looking at my TikTok timeline and some of the videos I put up, really pay attention to what I'm saying in those videos. Sometimes there's hidden gems in there, Easter eggs in there. Some people be catching it sometimes. The music selection that I choose and stuff like that, stuff that I do in there is just, there's Easter eggs in there. If you go back and you look at my timeline, especially not on this one, you know what I'm saying, my backup account, because that's where I got all the crypto stuff on that one. I don't got crypto stuff on this one. This is my OG account. But you go and look at that backup account and you look at the stuff I'm putting on there and you listen to the songs that I'm choosing and you look at how I'm creating that content. Remember, I'm a digital marketer. I'm not a crypto investor. I'm a digital marketer that knows how to invest in crypto. You really got to pay attention to my comments, my content. I'm a digital marketer that knows how to invest in crypto. I'm not a crypto investor. I'm way different from those guys. All right, that's that. Good night. And for those of you who are overseas, good morning. Let's continue to rock.